Why don't you jump up in the chair? Can you get up?
I can.
All right. Are you ready? You sure?
Yeah.
All right. Talon, what's your favorite amplifier?
Emotiva.
Emotiva?
Yeah.
Wow, I have a couple of those. Did you know that they also made a processor?
Yeah.
You did? Can you tell me what a processor is? Yeah, I didn't think so. Well, lucky for you, today we are going to be unboxing the Emotiva RMC-1L, their flagship processor. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
We're going to do a Bliss unboxing. Hey guys, thanks for checking out Life of Bliss. Today I'm going to be, like I said, unboxing the RMC-1L from Emotiva, as well as showing you their DIRAC live kits that they just started shipping out recently for all the processors. And today I've got my son Talon with me, who's going to help me out along the way, so who knows what's going to happen. But let's get started. All right, are you ready to cut open the top with your knife? All right, there you go. All right, cut right here. All right. Good job. So we got a box inside of a box.
That's a big one.
That is a big one, huh? All right, here we go. All right, so the first thing you see is the birth certificate along with the manual materials. Next, we've got our wiring here for the microphone, which I'll be showing you all this up close here in just a moment. We got the remote, which is a hefty remote. That is a big remote.
Yeah.
It's all metal too. I like that. That's nice.
I got this.
So after you take the microphone out, you see the Emotiva logo there underneath all this padding. See, we got a couple accessory boxes on the side. We'll go through those in a minute.
Daddy, I'm gonna keep this out.
You can keep it out, buddy. And then RMC-1L and an FM antenna. So as usual, everything is packed very nicely by Emotiva. They do a great job double boxing everything and covering everything up and throwing enough padding in there to where it's not going to get damaged during shipping. Cover off the receiver here.
That's a big box. That's a big box.
Here we go. So like I said, this is the RMC-1L. This is their flagship receiver from Emotiva. There is the RMC-1, which is a slightly larger version than this. The only difference between those two is it has some expansion slots on the back to be able to add up to 28 channels later on down the road. The XMC-2 is the same size as the RMC-1L, but it does not have the same front screen area, and it also only has dedicated DACs for each of the front 3 channels and the subwoofer, whereas the RMC-1 series has dedicated DACs for every channel. I'll be throwing up a chart here in a little bit showing you all those differences, but for now, let's go ahead, get some close-ups of this thing and go over a few specs. Real quick, before we get into that, I'd like to tell you guys about today's video sponsor,
Hi-Fi Summit.
the Hi-Fi Summit.
Today's video is sponsored by the Hi-Fi Summit. The Hi-Fi Summit is the world's first digital online trade show where some of the biggest names in audio come together in a 5-day event to bring you seminars on their products, the philosophies behind their engineering, and upcoming technologies. Hosted by fellow YouTubers Joe and Tell, Technodad, and Youthman, the Hi-Fi Summit quickly evolved into a community of fellow enthusiasts who have a passion for all things audio. The coolest feature for members is joining the company representatives in the video chat after their seminars, where they can directly speak with the company reps. Here, they can discuss ideas or ask questions and learn more about their products. There's lots of fun to be had, as well as a few shenanigans in the live chat, so I encourage you to buy your ticket and join in on the fun. Tickets are only $29 for the 5-day pass, and the Hi-Fi Summit starts in just one day on October 22nd. I'll leave a link down in the description below, or you can visit the hifiSummit.com to grab your tickets today. Thanks to the Hi-Fi Summit for sponsoring this video, and I will see you at the top.
Now, although these units have been out for over a year, they just recently came out with their DIRAC live kits, which ship separately, and we're going to show you what that is now. First off, you have some instructions to follow when setting everything up. You get a Raspberry Pi computer that you will plug into the back of the RMC-1 when tuning. as well as several different power source cables, a network switch, your power cables, and some Ethernet cables. Took everything up. Thanks, buddy. Thanks. Good job. So let's go ahead and take a look at everything that comes in the box. First, you have the RMC-1L birth certificate, letter from the developers, and the fairly thick manual. There's the power cable and USB stick for firmware updates, accessories for the AM/FM tuners, microphone and USB microphone cord, along with the batteries for the remote, and the microphone stand. This allows you to position and orient the microphone in the correct position for room correction. The remote is a solid metal piece that has some significant weight behind it. The brushed aluminum face looks great and it just has a solid feel. Unfortunately, the buttons are not backlit and they do have an audible clicking sound when pressed. One cool but frustrating feature is the battery cover. It's completely held on by magnets, which I have not seen before, but it is difficult to remove without some sort of tool unless it's put on with this tab facing out. Here's a quick view of the accessories you get in the DIRAC Live kit as well. I'll be going over this more in the setup and review video down the road. The RMC-1L is a 16-channel reference cinema processor that can play back the latest object-oriented surround formats, including Dolby Atmos up to 9.1.6 and DTS:X up to 7.1.4. All 16 channels have XLR outputs with a fully balanced pathway to your amplifiers. Each channel has its own audiophile grade AKM 4490 Verita DAC operating in fully balanced mode for the highest possible sound quality. Emotiva focused on getting audiophile grade sound quality out of this unit, so I'm looking forward to seeing how this sounds in my setup. The room correction software allows for up to 3 separate subwoofer outputs, so fine-tuning multiple subs should be a big advantage when tuning your system. The room correction software also allows for room measurement corrections made with Room EQ Wizard software to be uploaded and used. The RMC-1L has 8 HDMI inputs and 2 HDMI outputs. Each support HDMI 2.0B and HDCP 2.2, making way for 4K 60 FPS content with full 12-bit color and 4.4.4 chroma sampling. This unit also supports HDR and Dolby Vision content, so you won't be missing out on any of the current video formats. The RMC-1L has a multitude of other connection options, which you can see here. Moving to the front, you'll see the RMC-1L logo with the differential reference written below. On the opposite side, there is a USB input and 3.5mm jacks for a headphone out and audio in. The overall dimensions of the unit are 17 inches wide, 15.5 inches deep, and 5.75 inches high, and weighs roughly 22 pounds. I'm not going to go into the function of the RMC-1L quite yet, but looking at the initial startup time, it takes roughly 1 minute for the unit to boot up. After hitting the standby button, you are greeted with one of the 3 OLED displays saying Rethink High End, shortly followed by the volume and system info screens. Again, I'm not going to get into all the menus, but using the center navigation dial, you can adjust or mute the volume as well as navigate through the different audio modes and settings. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the RMC-1L has the capability to run DIRAC Live with the included kit, which is regarded as one of the top room correction softwares currently available. This will be my first experience with DIRAC Live, so I'm excited to get it in my setup to see what sort of difference it makes. Now for the differences between the RMC-1, the RMC-1L, and the XMC2. Here's a chart posted on the Emotiva Lounge forums, which I'll leave a link down to below, but the only difference between the RMC-1 and RMC-1L is that the RMC-1 has a larger chassis for expansion slots for future expansion up to 28 channels. The XMC2 is different from the RMC series in that it only has dedicated DACs for the front, left, right, and center channels, as well as the subwoofer, with the remaining 12 channels sharing 6 DACs in stereo mode. The front displays are a bit different and there is no room for expansion slots. The Emotiva RMC-1L is priced at $39.99 with its big brother coming in at $49.99.
The XMC2 is priced at $29.99. If you are not concerned about having the extra 12 channels added down the road, the RMC-1L will still give you the best audio and video experience Emotiva has to offer, just without the option of expandability. If you're wanting a cheaper 16-channel processor and aren't worried about dedicated DACs for all 16 channels, the XMC2 is a pretty affordable option at $1,000 cheaper than the RMC-1L.
Now, when stepping up to something like the RMC-1L here, it's important to have good cables to make sure you're getting the best signal possible to your speakers. I reached out to Blue Jeans Cable and they sent me a couple different products here. First one is just a normal XLR cable, which has the canary wiring made out of Japan. And the second one is a XLR snake cable. This actually has 8 ends on it, all different colored to make sure you know which ones you're connecting. And these all run through one single line. Now, I've known about Blue Jeans cables for several years now, but these are the first products that I've actually used from them. They do most of their manufacturing out of their plant in Seattle, Washington, and Kurt, the owner, told me they have over 250,000 feet of various wires at any one point to make sure that they have enough to be able to make any sort of custom order that the customers want. They do all of their length cutting, soldering, crimping, and connection ends in-house, so they have a strict overlook of quality control. I'll be talking more about these once I set everything up, but if you guys are interested in Blue Jeans cables, I will leave their link to their website down in the description below. So there you guys have it, the RMC-1L flagship processor from Emotiva and the XLR cables from Blue Jeans cables that I'll be using in my setup. Now, not only will I be using this on my current speaker system, but I have 2 complete speaker systems from 2 different companies that I'll be throwing in my theater soon for some testing. One of those unboxings should be coming here later this week, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Until then, thank you for watching. I'm glad my co-host Talon could join me here, and I'll see you guys soon. Hey, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Good job, buddy. All right, so did you learn anything about the processor?
Yeah.
What'd you learn?
Like Emotiva.
Emotiva?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you learned that.
I like Emotiva, that toaster.
The toaster. Okay. We'll get the toaster. Get ready for a Bliss unboxing.
Careful unboxing.
Yeah. Good job.
About the toast.